There is, in every human life, a quiet yet constant movement, an inner striving that does not let us come to rest. It is not the striving for possessions, nor for recognition, but the striving to become a better human being. Perhaps this is what lies at the very core of being human, the ability to recognize ourselves, and at the same time, to grow beyond ourselves. In the Baha'i perspective, the human being is not a finished creation. He is a work in progress, a mirror that can reflect divine qualities if it strives to become clearer. And these qualities, these virtues, are not abstract ideals. They are tangible. They can be lived every day. Truthfulness, justice, patience, humility, love. They are not revealed in grand words, but in small decisions. In the moment we choose to remain truthful, even when it is difficult. In the moment we treat another person with dignity, even when we do not understand them. The path toward one's own perfection is not a straight path. It is shaped by mistakes, by doubts, by setbacks. But it is precisely in this that its dignity lies. For every step we take consciously, every attempt to act better than we did yesterday, changes something within us. And perhaps perfection is not a state we achieve, but a direction in which we move throughout our entire lives. In a world that is often loud, fast, and full of distractions, it takes courage to look within, to examine oneself, to ask, do I act justly? Am I truthful? Do I serve others or only myself? This striving is not a selfish pursuit. It is deeply connected to our responsibility toward others. For a person who works on themselves does not only transform themselves, but also their surroundings. A kind word, a patient glance, a just action, all of these have an impact. Perhaps a better world does not begin with great systems, but with individuals who strive to refine their own qualities, day by day. And so, the path toward one's own perfection becomes a path of service, a path on which we not only grow, but also help others to grow. In the end, perhaps it is simply this: not to be perfect, but to strive sincerely, again and again.